Ever enter a breakout and get faked out instantly? This breakout strategy works across multiple markets, from Bitcoin to gold, because the same structural principles apply everywhere. A breakout happens when price escapes a clear range or a trend line, and volatility expands. But a breakout alone is not a trend. False breakouts are common. First, find consolidation. Then draw two things: a trend line over the lower highs and a key support level under the range. No fancy patterns, just clear levels. This is strategy. When price breaks the level, don't enter immediately. Wait for a momentum candle to close. One large candle or a sequence of strong medium candles. That's your confirmation that the breakout has real pressure behind it. After the breakout, three things can happen. 1. Price continues immediately. 2. Price retests the level, then continues. 3. Price snaps back inside the range. A false breakout. The third scenario is the most dangerous one. That's a false breakout. And this is where most traders get trapped. Instead of trying to predict which scenario will happen, I structure the trade so I can benefit in any outcome. My entry is at the close of the momentum candle, not at the first touch of the level. That momentum confirms real pressure behind the move. My stop loss goes slightly beyond the broken level, so if this turns into a false breakout, the loss is controlled and small. If price continues immediately, I'm in. If price retests and continues, I'm still in. When price breaks out, the upside can be much larger than a fixed target. So instead of closing the entire position too early, I scale out. If you want to see how to set partial take profit on Margex, check the video linked here. I don't limit myself to a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward. First, I take partial profit around a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. At that level, I close roughly half of the position, locking in profit while keeping exposure. Then I move my stop loss to break even. Now the trade becomes risk-free. From there, I let the remaining position run while momentum stays strong. This approach removes prediction and focuses on structure and risk. If you want more clean, risk-first strategies for gold and crypto, follow for the next breakdown.